As a result of the iPhone 15 leaks, new information on what to expect from Apple in September is now being released on a weekly, and occasionally daily, basis. What's ahead for the iPhone is a little more of the same, but with a new charging standard. Most likely improvements will be made to the phone's camera system and the internal Apple-built CPU, even though the iPhone 15's buttons could be different from your accustomed ones. The dynamic island is also likely to endure. The iPhone 14 series was a strong debut, so Apple will probably build on what works with the current flagship. Change your Lightning connectors for Apple-approved USB-C cords if you want to upgrade later this year. Thanks to a recent design leak, we now have a clear sense of how the Pro series will look. Changes include a titanium shell with curved corners, a significantly larger camera bump for the periscope lens, slimmer 1.55mm bezels, and a new, stunning red color. The Pros may possibly be a little bit smaller than the previous 14 Pro thanks to the lower bezels. While moving USB-C for charging is another potential major design shift, even though cable data transmission isn't all that popular on phones these days, it's important for service and for the professional videographers that Apple loves to pursue with its industry-leading video performance. The EU mandated the switch to Type-C by 2024. Although some predicted Apple would choose a completely wireless design rather than employ Type-C, it doesn't seem practical. Apple would have to provide a MagSafe charger in the bundle, but they might try to maintain control over them by utilizing their created for iPhone strategy for typing circa. Thunderbolt 3 will expressly imply high-speed data transfers, even though it may go against current EU laws. Initially, rumors suggested that the iPhone 15 Ultra model would be made of titanium rather than the more conventional aluminum or stainless steel. Now that it appears that their price increase may be partially justified. Let's talk about buttons as well. Early in the rumor cycle, there was a lot of talk about the Pro Series' solid-state buttons, which are sensors and taptic engines that simulate the sensation of a real button click. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.